NWBL Wiffles Golden Stick Tournament. Starting off for the Chiefs is Alex Noble, and he had a great day. He threw 9 strikeouts, a shutout, and went 4 for 4 with a double. That led his team to the championship round of the tournament, and he won MVP of the game. Next up is Chance Foss. He had a great day. He went 4 for 4 with a home run to center field, and he had a couple of great plays in the field too. Next is Jared Foyle. He bunted a shot, but went 3 for 4 and got on base. That's what the Chiefs needed, to get people on base and get them home as fast as they could. And that's what they did, and that's how they won.
Oh, there's the bunt.
2 errors. They dropped the ball maybe once, and they still got the player out.
Safe.
Oh. Chiefs. The Pirates' starting pitcher was Jesse Garris, and he had a terrible day. Threw a strikeout, went 1 for 3 with a single. The rest of the players went 0 for 3. Terrible day, had a bunch of errors. Their best play was a double play, which was great. That was the best play of the day. No one could believe it because you don't see those too often. But it was amazing at the time. Thank you. Good night.